Welcome to our roundup of the best creator laptops designed for content creators, designers, editors, and multitaskers who need serious performance without compromise. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, coding, or managing multiple workflows at once, we've selected powerful, reliable laptops that balance performance, display quality, and portability. We'll break down real-world usability, key strengths, and who each laptop is best for. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect creator laptop for you. The first on the list is the Mallrace Laptop 18.5-inch. The Mallrace 18.5-inch laptop is built for creators who want a huge immersive display, strong multitasking performance, and desktop-like comfort in a portable form. Right away, the standout feature is its massive 18.5-inch Full HD display, which gives you plenty of screen real estate for video timelines, design layers, and side-by-side apps. If you're tired of constantly switching tabs or connecting external monitors, this laptop immediately feels freeing and productive. Under the hood, it delivers reliable performance for everyday creative work. Whether you're editing photos, handling large documents, or running multiple applications at once, the system stays smooth and responsive. The large chassis also allows for better heat dissipation, meaning you can work longer sessions without worrying about thermal throttling. The full-size keyboard with a dedicated number pad makes it comfortable for long typing sessions, spreadsheets, or creative workflows that demand precision. Another big advantage is connectivity. With multiple ports available, connecting external drives, cameras, microphones, and monitors is simple and hassle-free. This makes it a solid option for creators who rely on peripherals and external storage. The audio and visual experience also feels more immersive thanks to the larger screen and improved speaker placement, making content previewing more enjoyable. Overall, the Mallrace 18.5-inch laptop is a great choice for creators who prioritize screen size, comfort, and multitasking. It may not be the most portable option on the list, but if you work from a desk or home studio and want a big, clear workspace without the complexity of a desktop setup, this laptop delivers excellent value and practicality. Next up is the MSI Creator A16 AI Plus. This MSI Creator laptop is designed for creators who need AI-enhanced performance, color-accurate visuals, and high-end productivity power. This laptop immediately stands out with its large, vibrant display that's tuned for creative professionals. Whether you're color grading videos, designing graphics, or working with digital illustrations, the screen delivers sharp details and consistent colors you can trust. Performance is where this laptop truly shines. With AI-accelerated processing, it intelligently optimizes workloads like video rendering, multitasking, and creative software usage. This means smoother performance, faster exports, and better power efficiency during demanding tasks. Even when handling heavy creative applications, the system remains responsive and stable, making it ideal for professionals who can't afford slowdowns. Thermal management is another strong point. MSI has engineered this laptop to maintain performance without excessive fan noise, which is especially useful during long editing sessions or live work environments. The keyboard feels comfortable and precise, while the trackpad is responsive enough for detailed creative control when a mouse isn't available. Overall, the MSI Creator A16 AI Plus is an excellent choice for serious creators who want intelligent performance optimization, professional-grade visuals, and a refined user experience. It's ideal for those who work with demanding creative software and want a laptop that keeps up without compromise. Next, we have the Asus ZenBook Duo laptop. The Asus ZenBook Duo is one of the most unique creator laptops available, built around dual-screen productivity, exceptional multitasking, and innovative workflow design. The moment you open it, the secondary screen pad display above the keyboard completely changes how you work. You can place toolbars, timelines, reference images, or chat windows on the second screen while keeping your main workspace clutter-free. For creators, this dual-screen setup is a game changer. Video editors can keep timelines or controls on the lower screen, designers can place palettes and tools there, and streamers can monitor chats or system stats without needing an external display. The main display remains crisp, bright, and color accurate, making it perfect for visual work. Performance is smooth and reliable, handling creative tasks, multitasking, and productivity workflows with ease. Overall, the Asus ZenBook Duo is perfect for creators who value multitasking and workflow efficiency. If you want a laptop that actively improves how you work, rather than just being powerful, this is one of the most innovative and productivity-focused options on the list. Next is the Mallrace Gaming Laptop. This Mallrace laptop is built for creators who want strong CPU performance, smooth multitasking, and gaming-level power for creative tasks. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U, it delivers impressive performance for video editing, photo processing, coding, and even light 3D work. This processor is known for its efficiency and reliability, making it a great choice for creators who want consistent performance without excessive power drain. The display offers a smooth and responsive experience, which is especially useful for creators who also stream, animate, or preview motion-heavy content. Overall, the Mallrace gaming laptop with Ryzen 7 7730U is a strong all-rounder for creators who want power, flexibility, and value. It's especially suitable for those who want a laptop that can handle both creative work and entertainment without breaking a sweat. The last one on our list is the MSI Creator M14 laptop. Taking the top spot, the MSI Creator M14 is designed for creators who need balanced performance, portable design, and creator-focused reliability. This laptop strikes an excellent balance between power and portability, making it ideal for creators who work on the go without sacrificing performance. The display is sharp, vibrant, and well-suited for creative tasks like photo editing, content creation, and design work. Colors appear accurate and consistent, giving you confidence when working on visual projects. Performance is smooth across creative applications, handling editing, multitasking, and productivity workflows with ease. Overall, the MSI Creator M14 is the best choice for creators who want a dependable, portable, and well-rounded laptop. It delivers the right mix of performance, display quality, and mobility, making it an excellent daily driver for modern content creators. So that wraps up our list of the best creator laptops available right now. Whether you want a massive display, innovative dual-screen productivity, AI-enhanced performance, or a portable creative powerhouse, there's something here for every type of creator. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth tech guides like this. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative and stay connected.